We've got a 74 2002 Ti that I've had for, I probably had this car 20 years. But we're going to have her go around, just show a little bit. I'm going to have real detailed pictures. This car's been sitting under a cover in a garage for, say, for the last 4 or 5 years. But you know, it's got a Sickens paint job. I probably spent well over $1,000 just on the paint. Painted probably about 10 years ago, and was totally all the glass removed in a total restoration paint job. It's got 15-inch BBS wheels, brand new tires. Tires are brand new. Lauren, let's show these tires here. I mean, they've still got the stickers actually on the bottom of the tire. I don't think we can see that yet, but I mean, you can see that. Still got the tits on the tread, but all tires are brand new. Car's fairly slick. I mean, real slick actually. But it's very rare to find a 2002 Tii with sunroof and air conditioning. And like I say, that's what this car is: sunroof and air conditioning. Air conditioning needs to be charged. It's a R12 unit. It's not the 134. It's very expensive to charge it. It's got all brand new air conditioning components. It's got a new Die-Hard International battery. It's got a 320 radiator. It's got a brand new distributor. It's got electronic ignition. It's got it's a 5-speed conversion. This car is 5-speed. It's got pretty much every trick you could possibly put on one. It's got the got new Bilstein shocks on it. Lauren will show over here where it does have a I don't know that you can see real well. Well, you can see that it's got all brand new belts, a brand new air compressor. The whole air conditioning unit is brand new. The whole air conditioning unit's brand new. It's got a Schrick 284 cams, got headers. Like I say, this car, I'm in a financial mess right now and have got to get rid of some things. But as far as tricks, I mean, this one's got every trick you could put on one. Say the 5-speed transmission, brand new clutch, Blaupunk stereo system. Couple small spots, and we'll show over here. I had a guy doing some work for me one time on this car, probably about 10 years ago, or I'd say maybe 7 years ago, and left it sitting outside for a long time, and it does have a little bit of rust that developed right there. Another spot right there. We'll try to, like I say, we're going to get plenty of pictures to show everything. Show the hood there. There was some shock tower rust. We did repair that. Get back there and show those shock towers. We'll have more pictures. These pictures were taken today, August the 30th. Show the trunk, around the trunk line. This car wouldn't take much to be in pristine condition. I mean, you know, I would like for anybody to call me before they did purchase it. Call me at 423-987-4766 to ask any questions that you may have about it, and I'll be happy to answer them. We're going to crank it up right now and take a ride, and I'll kind of go through some twisties and things like that, and we'll show how this car runs. It doesn't smoke. There is no smoke out of the exhaust, and we'll show the tack. try to kind of do a 0 to 60 right here around these twisties. Car's quick. I mean, it's definitely got power. Pampered. I hate to, that's about as hard as it ever gets driven, but we'll, all the turn signals and everything do work. I didn't show that, but we'll show it right now as you can zoom in there. See, we got the left side and the right side. Lights, everything works. Windshield wipers. The clock does not work. It does have the clock. Like I say, got the Blaupunk CD player. All the speakers are Blaupunk. It's got the security card that goes with that. The sunroof. The sunroof does work. It's got all new seals, everything in the sunroof. I don't know where the handle to the sunroof is, but I will be sure that the sunroof does work. I would have rolled the sunroof back, but I can't seem to place the handle right now. Alright, that's it for the demonstration on this 74 2002 Ti that will be listed on eBay for sale tonight. This car is located in Harrison, Tennessee, about 20 miles outside of Chattanooga. Thank you again.